Hey everyone, Thomas here from MGM Classic Cars. We just got in this 1969 RS SS Camaro. Not sure if it's a real one, and I'm not advertising it as one, nor it's priced as one. But we just got finished painting the Camaro. We just spent 15 grand on painting this beautiful car. It's, again, still not perfect. The body and paint are really, really good. It's, again, brand new paint job, but like the glass, the trim is all original to the car. And again, it's not perfect, but the body and paint is brand new, as you can see here. I mean, the shine is incredible. The car runs out good. It's got a good black vinyl top on it, and the interior is original. I would probably redo that seat, but everything does function on the car. We did add the big, the brighter LED lights in the front, as you can see. Engine is a 350 with a 350 trans. Underneath the car is good. Door panels are good. Carpet is good. It's even got the green lights in the tint there. Sounds great. Horseshoe shifter, buckets, horn works, and the wipers do work. I'm assuming the fuel gauge is working along with the tach. Now, as far as the radio, it's been replaced. It turns on, but I don't. It's not functioning. Okay. Now, as far as like the fan, the defrost and all that, I don't see it functioning. So you'll have to mess with that. I am selling the car in as-is condition, but it does run out good, guys. We do offer financing here at MGM Classics with 10% down. As you can see, our showroom, we have over 200 cars in stock. You can see all of those at mgmclassiccars.com. And if you need delivery, guys, it's not a problem. You would just text me your zip code at 847-848-1850. Once again, my name is Thomas, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.